Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. I have a little journal that I finished working on and I just want to show it to you. I think it's really cute. It measures 4.5 inches across and it's 7 inches high. And even though it's a small size, there's tons of space in here. There are 348 pages inside. So I'm going to take you through it quickly. I have a little bit of bling here, some die cuts. I left the front very plain so that it can be carried around. I didn't want to put too many embellishments on there. On the side I have some little flowers and there are 6 signatures stitched to the album. And I have the duct tape binding on the outside and it's nice pink duct tape, so it makes it really durable. And then on the back again I have a little die cut border. So let me just take you through the little journal. I'm going to have this listed in my Etsy shop, so I'll go through the pages to show what it looks like. So on the inside I just put a little tag here and there's room to put a date, a year, just to journal something on there. And then here's one of the signatures, and I've got some tabs in there. Some of these little cardstock tags can be written on, and I've got some little ribbon tags in here as well. So here's the first page. I've used some scrapbook paper, some watercolor paper, some parchment paper in here. So on the scrapbook paper you could put some photos in there or just collage some other memories, whatever you want to put on there. And then there's lots of room for writing inside. This is some nice parchment paper that I had. Here's another sheet of scrapbook paper. And this is writing paper. There's another sheet of writing paper, and this has lines across. And also I like using this. It's musical note paper. So you can put photos on there or do some mixed media on here if you like. Not too thick though, because it is quite a thick little album already. And then here's some more. This was sketch paper, so I've got different types of paper in there for different textures. And I'll take you through. There's the back of the signature. Here's the next one. And then again, I've got some of the papers that repeat themselves. These little journals are really fun to make. And you can add your own pockets in there. I have a little doily in here, and you can do some stamping, drawing. And here's where one of the signatures is attached. I use the cotton type string. So yeah, 348 pages to write and attach photos, memorabilia. So it's, for its small size, it can hold quite a bit. And I used a lot of papers that I had left in my stash, and I used the green themed papers from my scrapbook stash. So I mixed these all up together. There's another signature. I won't go through all of the pages. Another doily, and that's the last one. And what I did is, in my stash I had a lot of sheets of paper that weren't quite large enough to fold into and insert to make the pages. So I just made a little strip of, I cut a little strip of scrapbook paper that's about maybe an inch and a half wide. I scored it down the center, and then here's one sheet here. So it's folded in two lengthwise, and then I just took a smaller sheet of scrapbook paper I had and I attached it to this strip. So as you can see, this is one folded signature, and I've used different papers. I use this one on the back and this one on the front. So I'm able to use smaller pieces that way and nothing goes to waste. So I hope you like my little album or my little journal. I've also got a little bit of bling on there, and it just attaches closed with this little elastic. I'll include a link in the description of this video to my Etsy shop. Have a nice day and happy scrapping!